Hey guys, it's Clary and today I'll be showing you the new GTA 6 leaks. These are some recent leaks from a French hacker called Fralis. He's released what seems a lot of leaks and changes for GTA 6. Number 1. Cloud Gaming Paradigm. The original plan was that multiplayer was reportedly initially designed with a cloud gaming paradigm in mind, aiming for significant reduced latency to enhance the user experience. However, the shutdown of Google Stadia in early 2023 appears to have dealt a blow to this model. This suggests Rockstar might have scaled back or re-evaluated the cloud-focused approach. Number 2. Modernized network architecture. The leaks indicate a modernized network architecture that is still based on semi-peer-to-peer model. This might disappoint some players' concerns about security and stability, as these models in GTA Online have historically led to issues like IP addresses being leaked and other things. This new version could reportedly benefit from a technical improvement called fluid access. This technology is set to eliminate the feeling of compatibilization between different sessions, aiming for a seamless and uninterrupted multiplayer experience. Number 3. Enhanced fluidity and seamless activities. One of the most significant proposed advances is the ability to perform free-roam multiplayer activities with players from different sessions without ever having to leave your own environment or experience loading times. So, say no more to loading screens. The goal is to end frustrating wait times in menus and laborious manual invitations. Everything could happen instantly, addressing a long-standing complaint from GTA Online players about lengthy loading screens and joining processes. Number 4. The next GTA Online is reportedly aiming for a more immersive gaming experience with the ambition of reaching up to 96 simultaneous players per session. However, the latest information suggests this figure is currently limited to 64 players. Even at 64, this would be a significant increase from the current GTA Online's player count. This could potentially transform the live service model and make the world feel much more alive.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys!